Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Special Edition Package, Automatic Climate Control, Bluetooth, Sirius Satellite Radio, Anti-Lock Brakes, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Universal Remote, Leather Seats, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Navigation System, OnStar, and Power Windows.